Okay, for our fourth and last way to solve the quadratic equations is the quadratic formula. So, paano ba na-derive yung quadratic formula? I'll give you a video kung saan pwede ninyo mapanood kung paano nakuha yung formula. Okay? But today, we're not going to show how we come up with that formula. So, the formula is x is equal to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. That is the formula for quadratic. Tatandaan nyo po yan. So, mas madali yan mag-solve gamitin ang quadratic formula. So, let's have an example for this way. So, for example, we have x squared plus 3x is equal to negative 2. So, makikita ninyo, hindi siya standard form. So, what are we going to do is to make it a standard form. Ano ba yung standard form natin? A x squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Ito yung A, ito yung B, ito yung C. Pero yung C natin, nasan siya? Nasa right side. So, dapat nandun siya sa kabila. Okay? So, what we are going to do is to what? Since minus to, negative to, paano natin siya gagawing 0? Kailangan natin mag-add ng 2. So, kung mag-add tayo ng 2 dito sa kabila, sa left side, mag-add din tayo ng 2 sa right side. Okay? Para maging 0 siya. So, x squared plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So, meron na ba tayong standard form? Yes, meron na tayong standard form, which is x squared plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So, anong sunod natin na gagawin? We're going to find out what is the value of a, b, and c. Bakit natin kailangan malaman? Kasi gagamitin po natin siya dun sa formula natin. So, what is the value of a? Paano natin malalaman yung a? Dun sa may quadratic term. Okay? Ano ang value niyan? 1. Invisible yan, pero meron niyang 1. How about b? 3. Okay? Paano natin malalaman yung b? Yung linear term or yung may x. Okay? And how about c? Yung number lang, which is 2. Okay? So, adjust ang ulit natin. Okay, let's proceed. So, gagamitin na natin yung formula. Ayan, abot pa naman yung formula. So, x is equal to, ano daw ang value ng x? Negative b, which is, ano ang b natin? 3. Plus, minus, square root of, ano ulit ang b natin? 3. O, nasa na tayo? Nandun lang tayo sa may formula. Okay? Negative b plus minus square root of b squared. B, which is 3. Okay? Minus 4 times, ano yung a natin? 1. Times, ano yung c natin? C, 2. Okay? Substitute lang po natin sila lahat. All over 2 times, ano yung a natin? 1. Okay? So, next. Tuloy-tuloy mo na yung solution yan. So, negative times positive is negative. So, negative 3 plus minus square root of, ano ang 3 squared? 9. 9 minus 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay? Divided by, or all over by 2. So, equals negative 3 plus minus square root of 9 minus 8 is 1. All over 2. Okay? Adjust ulit tayo. Ayan. Equals to negative 3. So, what is the square root of 1? Of course, 1 pa rin. Plus minus 1 all over 2. Okay? Hindi mawawala yung plus minus kasi dalawa yan. So, square root ng 1 is 1. So, let's proceed. Hatiin na natin sila sa dalawa. Bakit hatiin natin sa dalawa? dahil dalawa yung value ng 1. Isang positive at isang negative. So, negative 3, unahin natin yung positive, plus 1. Yung isa naman ay negative, equals to negative 3 minus 1 all over 2. Okay? So, let's proceed. Negative 3 plus 1, dito muna tayo. Negative 3 plus 1 is what? Adjust natin. Negative 2 over 2. So, divide naman natin ngayon. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Pero, since the sign is negative, negative yan. Okay? How about the other one? 3. Negative 3 minus 1. Magiging addition na siya kasi pareha silang negative. So, this will become negative 4 over 2. Okay po? Next, this will become 4 divided by 2 is 2. Since negative yan, negative din po ang sagot natin. So, we come up with the answers as x is equal to negative 1 and x is equal to negative 2. So, to check, dun tayo sa taas mag-checking. Okay? So, checking tayo. Checking if our answers are correct. So, what is the value of x? X is equal to negative 1. And another one, x is equal to negative 2. So, punta tayo dun sa original natin na equation, which is x squared plus 3x is equal to negative 2. So, dapat magiging negative 2 ang kalalabasan nitong nasa left side. So, let's have x is equal to negative 1. So, ano ang value ng x? Negative 1. Next, plus 3 times negative 1 equals negative 2. So, negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. Now, 3 times negative 1 is negative 3 is equal to negative 2. Okay? So, 1 minus 3 is negative 2. Bakit naging negative 2? Kasi, 3 minus 1 is 2. Ano ba mas malaki ang value? 1 or 3? Of course, yung 3. So, susundin natin yung sign ng 3, which is negative. So, nag-equal naman sila. Therefore, our answer that x is equal to negative 1 is correct. How about if x is negative 2? So, substitute natin ulit. Negative 2 squared plus 3 times negative 2 is equal to negative 2. Okay? So, negative 2 squared is 4 minus 3 times negative 2 is 6 is equal to negative 2. So, 4 minus 6 again is negative 2. And that is equal to negative 2. Therefore, again, our answer that x is equal to negative 2 is correct. Therefore, the answers are what? Negative 1 and negative 2. Okay?